Continuous capacity control is based on precise control of the cold water outlet temperature, depending on the thermal requirements of the load to be cooled. This is reflected in lower costs during the operation, since the unit only provides the energy needed by the load. To control the cold water temperature, the Samurai uses two essential components, as follows. 1. A sliding valve in the screw compressor to change the refrigerant circuit variables, adapting them to the requested load. 2. A sophisticated electronic system based on control bands in which the aim is to maintain a constant outlet temperature. The combination of the two can be summarized in the following diagram. There are 4 control bands that are configurable by the customer, who can thus choose the system's control variables. These bands are Load Up 1 band, Load Up 2 band, Neutral band, Load Down band. Given a load and having selected a cold water outlet temperature, the electronic system compares the value measured by thermistors with the desired value. Depending on the measured value and at 1-minute intervals, a control signal is generated that varies the position of the sliding valve, either to increase or to decrease the capacity as required. The control signal is sent to the solenoid valves located in the compressor, and those valves command the sliding valve's movements. The signal has a variable length, therefore the slider repositioning will be variable according to the control band. When in the band Load Up 1, the signal will last for 12 seconds. When in band Load Up 2 or Load Down, the signal will last 2 seconds. When in the neutral band, the slider will stay where it is, as will the capacity. The great advantage of this system is that as it has control bands with different behaviors, the unit is better able to adapt to load requirements. When quick response is needed, the measured temperature is very far from the desired temperature, the system can be programmed to provide quick control. When a precise response is required, the measured temperature is close to the desired temperature, it can be programmed to give a more precise response, plus or minus 0.5 degrees centigrade. Compared to PID control systems, the advantage is that you can achieve a quicker response time, since in Load Up 1 the response is much faster than in a PID system, and therefore so is reaching the desired temperature. Also, the system's great flexibility permits the installer to adapt the response times or the system's precision to that specific installation. This is done by means of a simple programming of the micro switches in the microprocessor.